Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm definitely still very bullish on these higher time frames. I still think it's either going to go up and make a running flat wave C, or possibly even go up and make an expanding flat wave C. Either way, I'm definitely still bullish on the monthly and the weekly time frame. So going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this move up right here is like a wave 1. I still think this is a WXY wave 2. I still think this weekly time frame is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows in a big wave 3 of either a running or an expanding flat. So heading down to the daily time frame is where we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last 5 waves up right here. I'm looking at this as a 1 of 3. I think we're most likely in a wave 2 of 3, and I also think it's most likely that this is going to go down to at least the 50 or the 61% before we actually get the end of a wave 2 and the beginning of a big wave 3. So definitely still in a downtrend on the higher time frames, like the daily. So going down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. Now it did make a higher low, so possibly it is going to go up, maybe even make a more proper ABC correction before it goes down. But for me personally, until it actually breaks this structure right here, I'm definitely a seller. I'm looking for 3-wave pullbacks. I got my Fibonacci retracement on here because if it makes 3 waves up to a fib level, makes an impulsive down, I definitely will continue to go short at the end of these pullbacks for the continuation of the downtrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if this was an A, this was a B, and it does go up for a wave C like this. Definitely pretty possible. For me personally, because I'm not really a scalper and not really even a day trader, I'm personally waiting for 3-wave pullbacks. I'm waiting for 1, 2, 3 waves up. If it makes 3 waves up to one of these Fibonacci levels, makes an impulsive move down, then I'll definitely take that as a short. On the other hand, if it makes an uptrend, that is a wave C, then I will definitely go short at the end of the wave C for the continuation of the downtrend. The only thing that's really going to turn me into a buyer is if we take out that big structure on the 4 hour and daily time frame. Otherwise, I'm either looking for 3 waves up to a Fibonacci retracement level, or I'm looking for this to all be a big ABC correction and then a break of structure for an entry to go short for the continuation of this bigger downtrend, which I think is most likely a wave 2, probably a wave C of wave 2. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.